Hey guys, good morning. This is Mr. Stubbs with your 18.3 practice follow-up to the follow-up from yesterday. We're going to go over the first 6 problems from yesterday. So that is number 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14, and 15. So let's get it rolling. All right, number 10 and 11. 10 and 11 wanted you to first draw a net of this square pyramid. And how do I know that it's a square pyramid and not a rectangular pyramid? Well, if I look at the base of this pyramid, I can see that they're telling me that each side length is 3.5. That way I know it's a square. So over here on my net, my square's in the middle. That's my base. Because remember, a pyramid only has one base where a prism has 2. So I'm indicating that one of the base lengths is 3.5. I could have labeled all 4 sides, but I didn't. I got a little lazy. And then I indicate that each of the slant heights is 6 feet of the triangular faces. All right, so let's look at the problem. First one wants us to do, the number 10 wants us to find the lateral area of this figure. So if I open up my text box here, there we go. Probably hear the rowdiness of you guys out in the hall coming in this morning. Alright, so let's do this. So lateral area, as you know, is perimeter times lowercase l. And I'm just going to write divided by 2. Okay, so our perimeter, if you add up all the sides of the perimeter, you can do 2 things. You can do 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5, and then times that by the slant height, which is 6, and then divide all that by 2. Or you can do the same thing, which is 3.5 times 4 instead of adding them all together. Times it by the slant height, divided by 2, and you are going to end up with 42 feet squared. All right, so that is number 10. So let's label that number 10. And then number 11, for surface area, all you have to do, guys, is find the area of the base and then add it to whatever you found for lateral area, which was 42 feet squared. So how do we get the area of the base? Well, it's a square. So we know that the area for a square is length times width, which, so let's write that down. Length times width, which in this case is a square, so it's going to just be the same thing. 3.5 times 3.5, which is 12.25. Now to get surface area, we take that 12.25 and we add it back to the 42 from the lateral area, and we get 54.25 feet squared. And that's all you got to do, guys. You just get your lateral area, and then you find the area of the base and add them together. So that is number 10 and number 11. All right, 12 and 13, we're also asked to draw a net. And this time, instead of a square pyramid, we have a triangular pyramid. So once again, I label my slant heights, which they tell me in the problem is 4. And then again, I got lazy. I labeled only one side length of the triangle, which is 4.6. But up here, I want you to notice that they say this is a regular triangular pyramid, which means all 3 sides of the triangle are the same length. So these will all be 4.6. All right, so let's do this. number 12. All right, so we're going to find the lateral area. So our perimeter will be 4.6 plus 4.6 plus 4.6. Because it's a triangle, you only have to add it 3 times. There's only 3 sides. Multiply by the slant height and then divide by 2. When you do that, you're going to find out that your lateral area is 27.6 centimeters squared. All right, so this is a little different this time because you have a triangle instead of a square base. And we know the area of a triangle can be found by doing base times height divided by 2. So let's do that. All right, our base is 4.6 times by the height, which is 4, divided by 2, and that is going to equal 9.2. And then to get surface area, we just take our 9.2 and add it to our lateral area from above, and we end up with 36.8 centimeters squared. And let me label that one number 13. All right, so there you go. There's 12 and 13. All right, so there's 14 and 15, which is the Lavray Pyramid, which is located in Paris, France. That is a pretty awesome looking contraption there. And then once again, we're going to find the lateral and surface area. So let's move on down here. All right, so number 14, we're going to find lateral area. So this is a square base, and one of the sides is 35, so we can add 35 4 times or multiply it by 4, that's the same thing, times by the slant height of 27.84, and then divide it by 2. And once you do that, your lateral area will be 1,948.8 meters squared. All right, so then number 15, our area, so we have to find the area of the square base, which is length times width. So if one of the sides is 35, you just multiply it by 35, because length times width, you're going to have the same thing in a square because all sides are the same. And 35 times 35 gives us 1,225. To get surface area, take your 1,225, add it to your lateral area from number 14. And we are going to end up with a total of 3,173.8 meters squared. So there you have it. There's number 14 and number 15. I hope you found this helpful. I will do one of these for 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. This is Friday. This is Mr. Stubbs. We out.